The baby girl without a chance, a victim of circumstance, the one who ought to give up, she's too hard-headed. A single mom who works 2 jobs, who loves her kids and never stops, with gentle hands and a heart of a fighter. I'm a survivor. Hey everyone, Blitz Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested called I'm a Survivor by Reba McEntire. I have not done a Reba song yet, so thanks for the great request. If you guys have other requests, please let me know. So sorry I'm a little bit backed up right now on them, but I promise I'm getting to them as best as I can. Also let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and if you're new to my channel, you haven't hit like and subscribe yet, please do so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. To everyone who has subscribed, who's requested songs and everything, I seriously do thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me, so thank you. Alright, so let's get into it. So this song is really easy to play. Okay, there's 2 different strumming patterns, but they're really similar. The chords you're going to use for this song, you're going to do E minor 7. So you could use this finger or this finger, whatever, but you just put 1 finger, the 2nd fret, okay, on the A string, and that's it. Okay, that's E minor 7. You're also going to use D. Okay, so you're going to use D, and then you're also going to use D over F sharp. All right, an easy way to do this is to just do a C chord, but to do it on starting on the 3rd fret down. Okay. All right, and on this one you're mainly going to hit the bass notes. Okay, and then you're going to do G. Either G works fine. Okay, and then you're going to do C and A. Okay, so now let's get into it. There's no capo in the song, standard tuning, all right? All right, so the way you're gonna start is, you're gonna start with just the E minor 7, D. So you're gonna go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Then you switch again, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you do E minor 7, D, D over F sharp, G, all right? So I'll walk you through that again. The chord progression and then the strumming. E minor 7, so E minor 7, D. D over F sharp, G. E minor 7, D. D over F sharp, G. Okay, so you'll do that twice. You do E minor 7, D, D over F sharp, G twice. The strumming pattern again, and I'm going to do this a little bit fast and then slow it down. E minor, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so slower is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, that's how you're gonna play the intro and the verses. All right, super easy, and the chorus one's very easy too. Okay, so you're gonna do E minor 7, D, D over F sharp, G twice, and you'll go into the verse, and the verses are gonna be almost that exact same thing the whole time. You're gonna do that for a lot of the verses, but you're gonna go. So I was born is E minor 7. I was born 3 months too early. Okay, too early is D, too early. Okay, then D over F sharp after early. The doctor gave me 30 days. Okay, 30 days, days is G, days. But I must, okay, must is E minor 7. But I must have had my mama's will and God's, okay, God's is D over F sharp. God's amazing grace. I love it when songs talk about that. Amazing grace. Okay, grace is G, so that's easy to remember. Grace, I guess is E minor 7. I guess I'll keep on living. Living is D. Living, even if, okay, if is where you're gonna do D over F sharp minor. D over F sharp, sorry. Even if this love's to die. Okay, to die. Die is G. Die for, because your bags. Okay, so this is where it's gonna change. So you do the E minor 7 chord progression, and then D, D over F sharp, G. You're gonna do that 3 times. After the 3rd time, you're gonna go into C. Okay, cause your bags are packed and I ain't crying. You're walking out and I'm not trying. Okay, so you're just gonna keep playing C that whole time, trying to change your mind, cause I was born to be. Okay, so on the word B, you're gonna do A chord. B. The baby, okay, and then you go into the chorus. So you're gonna do the baby girl without a chance, a victim, okay, So it starts with the baby. Okay, so the baby girl, baby is G. Baby girl without a chance, a victim of circumstance, the one who's hard to give up, but she's too hard-headed. Okay, so it's gonna be the baby is G, so you're gonna do G, D, E minor 7, D, G, A. Okay, that's how it's gonna start. So you're gonna do the baby girl, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, so the baby girl without a chance, the a victim of. So on victim is D, victim of circumstance. The one is E minor 7. One who ought to give up, give is D, give up. She's is G, she's too hard-headed. Headed is A, okay? Headed. A single is G. A single mom who works 2 jobs, who loves is D. Loves her kids and never stops. With gentle hands and a heart of a fighter. Okay, so on gentle you're gonna do E minor 7. With gentle hands and a heart. So you're gonna do heart of a fighter. Heart is D, and then G is fighter. Fighter. You're gonna do A, I'm a survivor, and then you're gonna play the intro part twice. Then you'll do E minor 7, D, D over F sharp, G. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you that with the strumming pattern. The baby, so you're gonna down, down, up, down, up. The baby girl without a chance, a victim of circumstance. So you're just gonna do G, the baby, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So the baby girl without a chance. So I'm just doing down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, then you go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you have more space between chord switching than you did in the verses and in the intro. So you're just going to do the baby, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, victim, down, victim of circumstance. Notice how just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Victim of circumstance, the one. Okay, so then here you're going to have a little bit less time. Now you're going to go the one who ought to give up. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. She's too hard-headed, headed. Okay, so you're just basically doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, but you're giving more time that you're doing down, 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 up, 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 down. Okay, that's basically all you're doing for it. Now, the only other part you need to know, because now you know the verses and the chorus, is the instrumental part in between the second chorus and it's really the bridge, but and the last chorus. So you're just going to do G, D. So G, D, then E minor 7, D, G, A. Okay. Then A. So it's G, D, E minor 7, D, G, A. And you're gonna go play the chorus again, and the outro is just gonna be E minor 7, D. You're just gonna play it like you did the intro. And I would just do that, end on G. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions or their song requests or anything. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.